Welcome to Neil's World. From today, I'm going to start a series called 1 Minute App Suggestion, where I'll be suggesting one app every day, almost the same time every day in the evening, 7 p.m. around 7 p.m. I'll be suggesting one app, Android app particularly, so that you can use it for your benefit. You may already know about that app, but if you do not know, it will be helpful. So today's app is nothing but Google Keep. So it is from Google. So this Keep app is a note-taking app which syncs across all your devices, whether it is your Android smartphone, Google Chrome browser, or you use any browser. So you can go to google.com and find Keep. To get directly into the Keep website, go to keep.google.com, and if you want to download for your Android device, go to Play Store, search for Google Keep. So download it. It is a very easy note-taking app and very productive, and you will find it very beneficial for your day-to-day note-taking tasks. So go ahead and download the app Keep.